How to log in into Experian account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your own Experian account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser. There, simply search for Experian account sign in. So let's search for that. And after you search for that, hit enter. And there we go. Now there you can see different options or different websites from where you can log in. So let's just open up this first one and it should take us directly to the login portal or login page for Experian. So while that loads, here you can see other option as well, that is member sign in. You can open that up as well and let's let that load. Now coming back to the first page, here you can simply type in your username and then your password, then tap on sign in to sign in into your account. The same goes for here. Here you can see different options. Simply tap on sign in to your bank and you should be redirected to a page similar to this where you will need to type in your username and then your password, and when you tap on sign in you'll be logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.